This is Mr. and what I have for you today is an easy way to improve the sound of your tinny or too much treble sounding MP3s without using software that you download onto your computer. Now, I do have software that I can manipulate it, such as Audacity. However, if you don't want to use software on your computer, you can use an online thing to have a play around with an equalizer to change your MP3s to suit how you like them to sound. So what I've done is I've uploaded a little piece of audio here into it already. We'll just have a listen through the media player that comes with Windows just to have a take on what it sounds like in its raw form, or what I call the tinny form, that is with too much treble and not enough bass. Let's have just a brief listen to this now. Okay, you can hardly hear the bass line there at all. So what we'll do is I've uploaded it here already, and we'll have a little bit of a play as I'll start to play it, and I'll adjust things as we go, so you get to hear it on the fly, how you can make the sound different. So we'll begin. The bass is over on the left, the treble is more towards the middle and the right hand side. Let's have a go. Just pay attention to how it sounds as I make adjustments. Alright, I'll pause that there. We'll go to roughly about here, and I'll try and duplicate that somewhere here on the original. So we'll have a listen to the original. Sounds very tinny, and we'll have a listen to this one. Okay, so if that's the feel that you want, in this case what I've done is I've increased the bass and I've reduced the treble using the online equalizer. In that case you just press submit, and then it will change that and then allow you to download the file, and you simply download that to your computer, which I won't do because I just won't. You've just heard it, but that is exactly what it's going to sound like. Now, the URL is audioalter.com, and when you go there, we'll just go back to the home page. You've got all of your options here. So if you choose Equalizer, you end up on the equalizer. This is the page you just saw, and here are all your options down the side on the left hand side. Now I will say, if the music that you're trying to adjust has not enough bass, such as this one did not have enough bass, don't bother with the bass booster. It doesn't do any different. It sounds almost exactly the same. Even when I put it on extreme bass, the result is exactly the same as the file that I've uploaded, or pretty well to it. However, when I use the equalizer, I get the result I want. So if you have any MP3s that you're not really happy with the treble / bass on those MP3 files of yours that you've either downloaded, or even on an entire CD. I have a CD that I'm not really entirely happy with the treble / bass setting that was made to record the CD. I think it's a little bit too much treble and not enough bass. I've downloaded all of the files off that CD and I've converted them all in the equalizer to be something closer to what I think it should have been. So you can use this to do that yourself, and that way you end up with the type of music that is perfect for your ear. If you have any questions or comments about this, please leave them below. In any case, that's all I've got for this video. All that's left to say is thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.